today we're gonna go over how to do a walkout. So this is what it looks like. So when we break that down, benefits of this exercise: full body integration, high metabolic demand. We're literally recruiting and using everything here. So our starting position is gonna be our feet under the hips. We're simply gonna hinge forward from the hips, touching the toes. Big extension to start, so lean in, hips push back. If you need to bend the knees here, that's totally fine. Walk the hands out until we're in a strong plank position. Do a push-up, walk all the way back in, keeping your legs as straight as possible, and then once again, standing up tall at the top, hips under the shoulders, nice strong posture, creating length through the front of the body, strength through the back of the body. Progression and regression strategies. If touching your toes is difficult, bend the knees. From here, you can keep the knees bent as you walk out. Once you get into your plank, if you need to drop to your knees, drop to the knees to do the push-up, and then pop back up, keeping the legs bent, touch the toes, and stand up tall. Now, if that still seems really challenging, we can reduce a little bit more of the load by walking out and just holding the plank, taking the push-up out completely, walk it all the way back in, and continuing to stand at the top. Our common faults in this exercise are gonna be really with that plank or the push-up. So as we get out, people tend to stop themselves here instead of getting that nice long spine, that strong body, and the full execution of the movements that we're trying to complete. So just make sure that you don't cut yourself short. Length and strength. And that's gonna be your walkout.